Welcome to Madhouse Mixtapes. I'll be your host, SikMadMan.
Not by water, not by rain, but fire shall cleanse, fire shall reign. Prophecy burns in Adam's word. The flood of flame cannot be deterred. Mountains bleed, the rivers dry, ashes fall from a darkened sky. The rulers scream, their thrones ignite. The flood of fire consumes the night. Flood of fire, world undone, crowned in flame. No place to run, truth revealed through smoke and pain. From burning earth, new light will reign. No ark will save, no water will rise. Only sparks reflected in desperate eyes. The children stand in the storm of flame, yet through destruction the truth remains. Flood of fire, world undone, crowned in flame. No place to run, truth revealed through smoke and pain. From burning earth, new light will reign. Choirs chant in tongues of flame, calling out the hidden name. From ash and ruin the spirit survives. Through fire the eternal spark revives. The flood has come, the fire speaks. The false are burned, the truth still seek. In smoke and ember,